guys, how are you? I hope you're fine wherever you are. Welcome again to another video. If you're just new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Alright, so welcome back again. My name is Lucia. If you're just new to this channel, my good name is Lucia. I welcome you all to today's vlog. But right now it's 7 p.m. It was a very nice day today. It's 7 p.m. Can you see the news? I'm watching 7 p.m. news right now, and I want to start preparing my supper at this hour. I want to welcome you all so that you can see and watch me do that, what I'm going to cook for my family today, and I hope you will enjoy. And before that, let me close this curtain of ours, this one. Okay, so let me close the curtain first so that I can go to the kitchen and prepare supper. Today I'm going to prepare rice and chicken and cabbage. So that's what I'm going to prepare. I hope you had a wonderful day today. And as for me, I was just here. I was indoors today. I didn't vlog, imagine that. But I thank God now I can come here and talk to you guys. I hope you can see me well. I hope you can see me well. Yes, let me just put you here so that I can cook with you today and see my evening routine, huh? And see my evening routine. So I had removed this chicken. This is a chicken from the freezer. Iko na maji already imekatakatwa. This one, this is chicken. I don't know how many kgs, I don't know. It's a whole chicken. So that's what I'm going to prepare today with rice. Na mchele yangu inaishi. I don't know if it will be enough, this one. This one, but I can add the mixed spaghetti so that it can be enough for us. All right, so let me put the let me just marinate the chicken first so that we can start from there. All right, so this is my basin. I'm going to use this to marinate. Oh, I just use a sufuria. Let me use what I'm going to cook with. I'm going to use this pot, this one. Let me put it there. And this is the chicken. This is the chicken. Okay. I don't know the lighting of this space if it's good. So this is the chicken. Already it's imekatakatwa. I hope you are good, doing well, guys. Can you see how big it is? I bought it at Clean Shelf. At Clean Shelf supermarkets. At our place we have 2 supermarkets around. This place of ours, it has really grown. It has really grown. We have 2 supermarkets now. We have Clean Shelf and Naivas supermarket around here. So it's frozen already. I'm just separating them one by one so that I can marinate it and cook direct. I'm not going to marinate and then put for like an hour or something. I don't have time. So this is my chicken now. I'm going to add curry powder. Okay, this is curry powder. Let me add like this way, and then I'm going to add this one, Dana Jeira. This one, a little bit. Do you add spices to your chicken? I also have this one. This is black pepper. I'll add a kidogo too. This one. This is black pepper. I also have what else? I also have this one. Paprika. I have paprika. I'm going to look for something to put this paprika. Last but not least, salt. So this is how I marinate my chicken. Okay guys, so that's all. I think I have added everything. So I'm going to massage it. My hands are very clean. I've washed them before I started talking. So this is how I'm going to massage them, like this way. So as you know, I don't boil my chicken. This broiler chicken, I only add cook them like that way. So I think that's all. This is the marinated one. I'm going to cook direct. I'm not going to wait, because as I told you, let me wash my hands. As I told you, it's 7 and I need to cut this cabbage. I have this quarter, this one, it was in my freezer, but I have in my fridge. Now let me cover this sufuria with this one and then wait for it to cook. So after this, I'm going to cut the cabbage. I'm going to wash it first, cut it, and then after that I'm going to cook the rice. The rice is kidogo, but I'm going to add I have spaghetti. I do mix sometimes when the rice can't be enough. I do mix, okay? So let me cut this small cabbage. So this is my chicken. I'm going to fry it first and then add onion. I'll add potatoes and pilipili hoho. So this is how it looks. Let me just put it like that way so that it can be a little bit brownish. Okay, I think that oil is enough. I'm not going to add another oil because I don't like when it has a lot of it. So let me peel the onions and prepare the tomatoes. I'm still cutting my cabbage. That's how it looks. So guys, my food is ready. These are four sofurias with food that I have cooked right now. We have steamed cabbage. This one, I have steamed it. And this is the chicken. Very nice. Very, very nice. We have a small rice here. It wasn't enough. Can you see? This is the rice. And also I've cooked separate spaghetti. These ones. Okay. So that's our supper for today. Today I have guests and they are going to have that. Okay. So let me just put them in my serving dishes and then serve my people. All right.